The most important thing in life will always be the people right here, right now. That's what's real. Hello?
Dominic Toretto. You don't know me. You're about to.
Who did this?
Remember Owen Shaw? This is his big bad brother. He's a special forces assassin. They created a monster.
Looks like the sins of London have followed us home. We're being hunted.
Shaw lives in a world that doesn't play by your rules.
And like it or not, you and your friends are a part of it now.
I don't have friends. I got family. This time it ain't just about being fast.
Can somebody just walk me through what we supposed to be doing?
Yo, Roman, you need some fresh air?
Just when you didn't think it could get any better, huh?
Everybody get
foolish. Put your hands in the air, let's do this.
We got mercenaries after us with enough weapons to wipe out small countries. This right here takes crazy to a whole nother level.
So what's the plan, Dom?
One last ride.
Nope, I'm not looking.
What's up now? What's up now? What's up now?